Hey, what's up guys? So today we have something different to review. This is actually a mini LED table clock from Flaito, and this is actually a really nice and decent product to upgrade your table, your office desk. So without wasting any time, let's get into the unboxing. So first of all, we get this charging cable, probably the type C, and after that we have the clock itself, and then finally a user manual. As you can see, this mini LED clock is in this house-shaped model, and we have this light and snooze button at the bottom. And at the back side of it, you can see we have multiple buttons over here like enter, time, and a rotating node as well. A power on and off switch for alarms and a type C charging port. Well, if we take a look at the cable, then you can see it is USB-A to USB-C cable, which goes something like this. I have plugged it and right now it's turned on. You can see the light in it, and the main display is showing the time and date as well, and multiple other things. Well, with this alarm button at the back side of this clock, you can actually set the alarm time, and you can also adjust the time with this time button. As you can see, I'm pressing the button at the back side of it, and it is really fully customizable clock. You can change the time, the alarm, and date as well. So this is actually the alarm button. You can turn your alarm on or off using this just one simple switch at the back side of it. And yeah, here you can see this is the button to control the LED light in this clock. As I'm pressing it, you can see it started to glow at the full opacity, and the windows also got lit. So this is really a pretty decent product to put on your office desk. You can play out with the buttons and adjust the settings according to your own. And it's fully customizable clock. We can see here I am adjusting time, and it's really simple and easy. I can adjust the minutes, the hours, AM, PM, all this stuff actually. And now let's hear how the sound quality is of this alarm clock. So yeah, it's the usual ringtone of alarm. We also do get this in our smartphones, and it's pretty loud, loud enough to wake you up. So if you're looking for something to upgrade your office desk game, then this one could be the right fit for that. It's really small in size, pretty, and not that much power consuming. So I'll leave the link in the description below to purchase this. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.